So these are the catacombs here, just through this door here is the entrance to the catacombs. Very, very interesting place. Wow, it's very interesting. So I'm just gonna sit in I'm just gonna hang out here in under the cover because it's starting to rain now. I do have my rain jacket with me, but I just wanted to film this briefly. So the catacombs were, yeah, really, really interesting. I'm not sure what's in here. I think there's a cemetery. Yeah, it's a cemetery inside there, and I don't feel like filming because that's a little disrespectful. But I did see some disrespectful people here in the catacombs. The catacombs, it is a sacred place. And for people to, you know, young couples, I mean, I don't care what their age is, but for couples to be kissing and touching in a sacred place is, yeah, that's just wrong. I mean, if you want to do that, go to the Eiffel Tower or something, but to do that here was pretty damn stupid for some people, and it's only Western tourists that do that sort of thing. Yeah, I've seen a lot of corpses in various, I don't know if you want to call it corpses, more like skeletons in various states of decomposition. I don't know if you could even call it decomposition anymore because most of the flesh is gone. But the oldest skeleton I seen in there was 1599. And there's a sad part there. There are a lot of infants. A lot of infants are in there, various ages, like maybe 1 or 2 months old to maybe 5 or 6 years old. The expressions, it's hard to really describe it, but the expressions on the faces of some of these skeletons, it looks like they suffered long before passing. And some of them look like they're sleeping. Some of them are dressed up in various original clothing. Some of them the bones have just deteriorated. Some of them still have what appears to be skin that has turned wrinkly and dark. I have a difficult time to describe the whole thing. I mean, it's something that has to be seen in person. But interesting. I didn't find it disgusting. I didn't find it creepy or anything. I just found that the area with the infants, it was a little sad. And there's a famous infant in there. I don't know if you can say infant. A famous child in there that looks like she's sleeping. I saw her. Yeah, she looks like she's sleeping. And that's it. So I'm off to the next area I'm going to explore. I might have to backtrack a little bit to get to an area that I just missed. Just a short walk, and then I'll continue onwards. But I don't know, can I enter here? This is a cemetery. And surprisingly, it looks to be in good condition. Looks to be in very good condition. I think this is a cemetery for people of obvious wealth, but that's not really my intended attraction here. I see the Capuchin catacombs now. The entrance fee is only €5. Spend as much time as you want there. I think 20 minutes is plenty of time to look at everything, unless you're like me and you want to look at almost every single corpse or skeleton and then look at the expressions of the people. Yeah, cool place if you're into that sort of thing. Nothing frightening about it at all, not for me. I don't know what's on the loudspeaker there. But I'm gonna backtrack to a destination I just missed, and then I'll continue onward here.